Looking for a straightforward way to connect your DisplayPort device to an HDMI display without sacrificing video quality? This DisplayPort 1.2 to HDMI 1.4 adapter is designed to deliver crisp Ultra HD 4K resolution at 30 Hz, along with smooth 7.1-channel audio. Whether you're plugging into a monitor, TV, or projector, expect clear visuals up to 3840 by 2160 and Full HD support at 1920 by 1200 or 1080p. It's a simple, reliable solution when you need your content to look sharp and sound great. I've tested this adapter across various setups, from high-end desktops with AMD Radeon Pro and Nvidia RTX graphics cards to laptops and compact docking stations. What stands out is its passive design that works seamlessly with any DP++ source. No extra drivers or software needed, so it's ready to go the moment you plug it in, regardless of your operating system, macOS, Windows, or Ubuntu. The latching DisplayPort connector locks in securely, minimizing any chance of signal dropouts, even when paired with HDMI cables as long as 35 feet. That means you get a steady, stable connection whether you're at your desk or in a conference room. Its compact, cable-free form factor makes it ideal for permanent installations or on-the-go use. I found it especially handy when switching between home and office setups or adding a secondary display without clutter. Plus, the adapter's build quality really shines through. One user shared how customer support went above and beyond, troubleshooting for weeks and even sending a complimentary unit to ensure compatibility before purchase. That kind of service backs up the product's reliability and quality. If you need a dependable way to connect your DisplayPort device to HDMI, this adapter is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values clear 4K visuals, hassle-free setup, and a solid connection, this DisplayPort to HDMI adapter fits the bill. It's a straightforward, no-fuss tool that just works, whether for work presentations, streaming, or expanding your workspace. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your display setup without the headache of complicated drivers or bulky cables.